Hi guys, and welcome to a new video of Bitcoin Edge. And what a day it was! What a day! Big news: Coinbase filing for their IPO. Really big news. Very bullish as well. Taking a look at other things on Twitter. I've been tweeting all day about my trades, and I can say, wow, what a day I've had. Go look through it. Really funny, I think, to take a look at my past days. I've been super bullish, and I managed to short the top today, and I managed to buy the bottom. Really funny day. Go through my emotions. It's really funny. I will tell you guys more about how I trade. Also, I am making a YouTube series about how I trade, what I'm looking for, kind of a trading course, and then you know and understand my videos better as well when I talk about fundings and premiums and discounts. We're having a look at the dollar right now, and the dollar is nuking. It's nuking and it's going down the drain. I mean, I think they just broke this one. Really bearish. This big trend line, this is almost a 9-year trend line, and they broke it. We can zoom out a little bit more to the weekly. Then you can see what a massive... This is all the way 2011, guys. They broke this trend line. Over here, let me take a look. Over here we had the 2017 bull market for crypto. And we all remember how that went. Look, over here we had the massive bull market. Right now, well, we're going much slower with the Dixie. So, yeah, really funny. Earlier in the videos I've been looking at it, not really the past weeks, but of course I've been looking at it myself. But yeah, this is really bullish, and for Bitcoin bullish, not for the dollar. I mean, if this line gives in, it's really doomed for the dollar. It will probably go somewhere here, I would say here. Taking a look at Bitcoin, here as you can see how I trade in the past, how I do my lines. I never really update this one. I just keep the lines in there. Anyway, we saw huge funding and huge premiums as well at one point over here. But at the moment, it's not that bad. We're seeing discounts really on Bitmex, on Bybit. So that's really good. It's coming down. Also over here we can see stuff is coming down. Predicted here on Bybit is flat again. Bitmex is coming down really nicely. Look, it was 0.1 at one point. But everything is coming down. Looking very good, very healthy. Right now we're on the 5-minute chart. I'm not sure what you guys want to look at, but we will zoom out a little bit. Let's go to the 4-hour. This is one trend line I saw as resistance, but yeah, we all know how that ended. That wasn't really a resistance anymore at one point. Then we could see this resistance. Well, that was not holding up that much either. Then we... Well, wait, this is gonna be a funny one. Look at this, guys. Look at this. This is a bull market. This is such a fun bull market. I'm all about trend lines, and I love those. This was one of my best trades ever. I had an accidental short over here. I will tell you the story later. Over here I was balls long all the way. Just a three-month bull market we had over there. So yeah, and now of course we broke this one as well. Did a nice retested on over here, and then we went all the way up. So right now, what do I expect? Well, we had this strong, I mean here it was 19k, but we had this strong uptrend, and we broke that just not so long ago. This was the low of the 4-hour candle we had earlier today. I expected the retest of that one. We didn't really get it. We held that, so that's quite bullish. Let's go to the 15-minute, maybe giving us a bit more. Let's see what is important for us. Well, over here, you could call it a double top. I was seeing something like this earlier on. And now, of course, it's still there, but we just had a retest of it. And we've not broken it. This trend line is fairly long. So, right now, the uptrend is broken. But, what will happen? If we break this low, we will see a lot of downside. There's a lot of liquidity underside here. What I am expecting, however, is something like this. Let me take another look. I think we see this line. It also matches up really well with the VPVR. I think we need to come back down a little bit and go like this, back up. And maybe we can make something like this. Maybe a bit less steep or steeper, but a little bit of consolidation would be really healthy now for Bitcoin. Taking a little breather, let other coins catch up, like Ethereum, for example. Ethereum had even a worse shakeout than Bitcoin did. We're gonna zoom out a little on Ethereum. I want to make it quick, guys, so otherwise the video will be too long and everybody loses their attention. This is what I'm looking at for Ethereum, this trend line. Also this trend line, but I am expecting this to break up. And this would be my target for now. $800. We already, by a long time, broke last year's high. We spent a lot of time over here on this resistance. And I don't even think we will come back for this retest. And I'm expecting us to go to $800 from here. Uni USD looking very good as well over here. We can see this trend line over here. Had a nice retest on it. You can see this trend line over here as well. Really nice break. And yeah, right now the VPVR is definitely, they're over the biggest hurdle. VPVR is volume per price range. So yeah, we have this high now for Uni. This one. And this one. And I expect Uni to break them all. Just step for step. Just climb the ladder all the way up. And like I said, fundings are coming down really good. Taking a breather here for Bitcoin would be really good as well. Just going a little bit sideways in this triangle, descending triangle. And like I said, the dollar going down the drain. Remember, this is a very high time frame chart. We're on the weekly over here. And this was the Bitcoin bull market of 2017. So I am very much bullish. I hope Bitcoin can take a breather over here. If you go up too high, we don't build any supports or anything. And yeah, we can go down just as hard as we go up. And down always goes faster than up. You can see that here as well. We can take a couple hours going up and we can go down really fast in an hour. And that is because people who are shorting always use less leverage than people who are longing. So cascading liquidations always goes fast to the downside. And like I said, make sure I'm making a trading course. I'm publishing the first videos already on YouTube. Make sure to watch and leave a comment, leave a like. Oh, and by the way, Tim, I saw what you did right there with the challenge. And guys, if you want to predict the price, fine. The one who wins gets 100 USDT. But if you adjust your post, yeah, it won't count. And I saw Tim doing that sadly and claiming he'd won, but yeah, don't adjust your post or edit your post because yeah, I'll see that shit. See you guys again tomorrow.